Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. So, as always, if you're watching and recording, you're welcome to fast forward 5 minutes or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Gina. I'm sorry you couldn't find me yesterday. Sometimes Facebook is weird. Good morning, Mike. Buenos dias, Judy. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we will explore the embodiment of gratitude. We've heard many times that there is overwhelming evidence that gratitude is good for us physically, emotionally, and mentally. There is very convincing research that shows that gratitude is correlated with better sleep, increased creativity, decreased entitlement, decreased hostility and aggression, increased decision-making skills, decreased blood pressure, and the list of benefits goes on and on. But do you really know why it helps so much? This interesting quote from Dr. Robert Emmons, the world's leading scientific expert on gratitude, may shed some light on it. He writes, research on emotion shows that positive emotions wear off quickly. Our emotional system likes newness. It likes novelty. It likes change. We adapt to positive life circumstances so that before too long, the new car, the new spouse, the new house, they don't feel so new and exciting anymore. But gratitude makes us appreciate the value of something. And when we do, we extract more benefit from it. We're less likely to take it for granted. In effect, I think gratitude allows us to participate more in life. We notice the positive more, and that magnifies the pleasures we get from life. Instead of adapting to goodness, we celebrate it. We spend so much time watching things, movies, computer screens, sports, but with gratitude, we become greater participants in our lives as opposed to spectators. Interesting, isn't it? I especially like the explanation of how our nervous system adapts to goodness so fast that we easily start taking for granted that which we were praying for only a short while ago. So while gratitude is an emotion, if we want to experience its full power, we must also make it a practice. And you can do it by keeping a gratitude journal or ending your day reflecting on what happened during your day that you're grateful for, or starting your day by literally saying, I choose to notice things to be grateful for today. And again, the list of gratitude practice options goes on and on and on. And I encourage you to find your way of integrating gratitude into your daily life. Right now, though, let's do one of these practices together. So, as always, take a comfortable position and spend a few moments settling in. Notice all the circumstances of your practice today, both internal and external. And as we have been doing lately, notice what you label as an inner circumstance versus an outer circumstance. What do you feel as inside you versus outside of you? Let your breath be easy. Don't try to control it. See if you can simply let your breath run through your body and notice how your body responds to your inhale, to your exhale. Select the primary anchor for this practice. It may be your breath or a sensation in your body that you can easily come back to every time you notice that you're not here anymore, that your mind is wandering. And now bring to mind a person you are super grateful for. Try to imagine this person in as much detail as possible. Why do you feel grateful for having them in your life? How does this gratitude express itself in your body? What are the physical, visceral experiences that are associated with your gratitude to this person? Bask in this embodied gratitude for a few moments and enjoy it. Now bring to mind a place you're grateful for. Maybe it's a place in nature where you like to go to calm your mind, or maybe it's a restaurant where you love to eat. Whatever it is for you, imagine it in all details. Why do you feel grateful to have this place in your life? How does this gratitude express itself in your body? Does being grateful for a place feel any different in your body from being grateful for a person? Are there any similarities? Stay with your direct experience for a few moments, allowing yourself to feel all the nuances. And finally, bring to mind an object that you're really grateful to have. What is it? Why are you grateful for it? How does this kind of gratitude express itself in your body? And is it different or similar from being grateful for a person or a place? Again, stay with your direct experience, allowing yourself to feel all the nuances. Take a moment to reflect how these three types of gratitude rather, being grateful for a person, for a place, for an object, how are they similar? How are they different? If you were to express your gratitude as a gesture, pose, or movement, what would it look like? Actually do it, don't just think about it. Express your gratitude as a pose, gesture, or movement right now. How does that feel? Now take a nice deep breath and repeat after me. Today, I choose to notice things, places, and people to be grateful for. Today, I choose to notice things, places, and people to be grateful for. And as you go through your day, whenever you feel grateful, try to register what's happening in your body in those moments of gratitude. And perhaps allow yourself to linger in those moments just a little bit longer than usual. Enjoy. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.